To make a one-time payment online, click the Pay a Bill button on pgh20.com. Then click the One-Time Payment button that appears. On the EasyPay portal, enter your 14-digit account number without the dash. Then enter your 5-digit mailing zip code and click the Lookup button. Select a payment amount, then click Add to Cart. Review your cart and make edits if necessary, then click Go to Checkout. Click Bank Account or Debit/Credit Card to select your payment method. Enter your payment information, then click Next. Enter your name, phone number, and email address. If you want a text receipt in addition to an email receipt, select the checkbox. Then click Next. Review your payment details. If desired, save your account's payment details for future one-time payments. You can also select or unselect the text receipt option on this page. Read the terms and conditions. Then click Pay to confirm your payment. Look for your email receipt or optional text receipt. You can also print or save a receipt from this page. Save your payment confirmation number, then click Done to finish. If you have questions, visit our website or call our customer service department.